today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a cheap outside light. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a sensor light that is a solar sensor light that goes outside. Outside of my house, where I barbecue, it's super dark at night. You know, and sometimes with the time change and everything like that, I like to have some light. But I have no electricity on the outside of my house or on my awning, anything like that. I don't know why they didn't do that when they built the new addition on there. But of course it was done in the 70s, so maybe they just didn't do that. Maybe it cost too much. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to install this cheap light here. I got this from Amazon. It was like $19 and I had a $3 coupon and it was like 16 bucks. So let me go ahead. I'll show you what it looks like and everything, and then I'll show you how I plan on installing it and using it. Let's do this. Alright, I got it here on my new workbench, which doubles as my clothes washer because all my other benches have way too much stuff all over it. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you how it looks. Now it says here on the back supposed to do it face it towards sunlight. Well, I can't do that because I have an awning on mine, but what I will do is I'm going to make it so I can take it down easily, and I'll just put it in the sun for it only takes like 2 hours to charge the whole thing. So that's nice. There's that goes up like that, and these move all around, which is nice. The little lights there, and that's how it looks. It has one on the very bottom, it has two on there, and you can move them all around. Now it comes with a couple of screws here to mount it, which is fine. But also, the way you turn this on, it comes with, let me see if I can find it, this little pin here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. And what it is, it says on and off right there. It goes in there, push it, turns it on, then you push it again, turn it off, and that's it. So now that we got that, let's go ahead and put it up. Alright, this is what I mean. You can see here's my barbecue. I got my awning, and that's where I'm gonna put it. It's like right over there. Just shine on it. So, and I don't want no grief from people about my barbecue cover. I've had it 12 years. I just haven't got a new one yet. So, alright, let's get to work. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark my location here for my screws. I'm going to put this up. I'm going to put it down low enough so I can just take it off every time. So, let's see. The good thing about this, it has like two screw holes right here underneath it, and it's that's exactly where the screws go in behind it. So that's nice. So I'm gonna put one here. And here. Perfect, I think. Oh. Put this down. I'll use the screws that came with it because why not? Got my screw gun. Don't have to put it too far in. Ooh. put it on there. Right there. And there you go. Then when I need to charge it up, I could just take it down, and I'll leave it in the sun, and I'll come out tonight and I'll show you guys how it works. Hopefully it works good. I haven't tried it out yet, so we'll see. Yeah. Best part of it. If you look over there, you can see it's barely on. As you get closer. Oh, okay. Lights up my thing pretty good. It's like a night light. Before it goes bright, before you hit the sensor. So that's kind of nice. So I think it works out just fine. All I have to do is probably just adjust it a little bit more, and I think it worked perfect for my barbecue. Alright, there you go. Worked pretty good for a $16 light, or $16 or $17 light. It's probably not going to be the brightest, but I think it'll work perfect for what I need it for. So, follow me next week for a new video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Dad Light Projects, or email me at dadlightprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, check out these 2 videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.